in the Western Hemisphere. All right? Right now, as we speak, our police are carrying out a peace mission in Haiti. So Sheila Degraff, tell these people what Haiti is and what country it looks like.
Haiti is the first black republic nation, and at this time, it's the poorest nation of the Western Hemisphere. And I thank Kenya for being there, for helping us. Thank you. But we need more. It's not enough. We need more.
All right. Hold on, Sheila. She says, on behalf of Haiti, she's saying, thank you to the President of this Republic for sending our police to Haiti. So the police are doing a good job. It's needed. You know, it's needed. But one thing you have to understand, we are all one. Haiti culture and African culture is very close. We are all one people. And one thing I'd like to say is, Haitians look just like you. You might think you're in Kisumu, right?
Yes, it's the same. It's like I was walking in Haiti today when I got off the plane, and, you know, same streets. I see the kids coming out from school, and, you know, we are one, you know, Jamaicans, Trinidadians, Black Americans, you know, Africans, we are one people, and we should stick together.
Thank you, Sheila Degraff. So we'll be having a panel on Africa for Haiti, all about having conversations with the Haitian people. So thank you, Sheila. Karibu Kisumu. And we're going to give her a Luo name. What should we call Sheila? Atieno. Sheila, from today, your name is Atieno. Atieno means somebody born, a woman born in the dark, right? In the evening, right? Atieno. Atieno, you. Thank you, Sheila. Thank you very much. God bless you.